Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Anyways, today's video is going to be a DIY make a bracelet with me, sort of like DIY Valentine's Day gift ideas. So what you're going to need is some beads, some sort of embroidery thread, and some scissors, and oh yeah, I will link these beads down below in the comments just as it came with other colors if you're wondering. Those are from Amazon, and also this little heart bead that's rose gold is also from Amazon. And so was this, so go check out my Amazon. I think it's either shop or storefront, wherever that is located. And also I'll try to put some links in the video. If everything's not linked in the video, hopefully it's all on my Amazon shop and hopefully you can find it. I'm sorry if it's not all there. So anyway, so we went ahead and did that. So what I did was tied this real quick double. I'll show you how to tie it off once I add the beads on this other side. So we're just going to add the beads that we want on the other side. So I'm just going to add these white beads and kind of try to match the pattern somewhat. These lighter pink beads. Or like whitish, the white beads. And then we're going to add these hot pink beads next. Then we're going to add light pink beads. Two of them. I'm sorry if this wasn't in focus. And then we're going to add some white. Oh, lighter pink. That's not quite white, I think. Might look different on camera. It's lighter pink. Yeah, it's like white actually. It might be white, I'm not sure. It's like a whitish color. It's like a lightish white color. Then we're gonna do the hot pink again, I think. Doesn't have to match it perfectly, it just has to look cute. And then some white. I'm gonna add some light pink after that, and then I'm gonna tie it off, and I'll show you how to tie it off. I'm sorry, I was out fraying. And if it starts to fray, you just kind of trim off the extra. You know. One, two. I'm going to add some white. And then I think I'm going to tie it off after that. Or the like, kind of looks like light pink, but it also kind of looks like very light pink, but it also kind of looks white. So anyways, that's what it looks like. It's pretty cute. Now we're just going to tie it off, so we're going to make a circle. As best as you can get a circle, and tie it as tight as you can to the thing, and then we're going to tie it off twice. Pull it under and pull it through, and then try to do that. Get that as close as you can, and then pull it back through one more time. Hopefully you can understand what I'm trying to say, and let's see what I'm trying to do. And pull it through and pull it the knot tight as you can. So anyways, that's what it looks like so far. And so now we're going to grab 2 pieces of string, about 6 inches maybe, obviously depending on your wrist size. I need a little bit more or extra or less, and then you're just going to do the same thing with the other one. You can just match up what you did for the other one. And you're going to cut that off. I went ahead and went with purple for my string color, so you will see this. Then you're just going to take this and you're going to tie right next to where the knots are underneath them. And then you're going to make a loop like that. And you're going to cross and go underneath. You can do this before you put it on. It's sometimes easier if you cross, go under before, and then pull it tight, and then pull it tight on both sides as close as you can get it. Then once you get it close enough, you just put it underneath and start pulling through. But you also want to make sure you move the beads out of the way, like so. And then you're just going to take that and you're going to pull it over here, and you're going to tie it twice on the ends. Then you're going to repeat on the other side what I just did. If you need to watch it again, feel free to rewind, pause, fast forward. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. And if you need, well, you don't want the beads to fall off, so if that happens, just tie a bigger knot. And then you're going to do the same thing. We're going to take this and we're going to fold it, go under, oops, sorry, I'm a little bit out of focus, and then you're going to pull as tight as you can. Well, not super tight because you still have to put it on the knot thing. And you're going to put it on this thing. You can always make it bigger if the person you're making for it has a bigger wrist, or if you want it a little bit bigger because maybe you have a bigger wrist or hand. Then tie, then one, and then underneath one more time. Then tie, pull as tight to the end, and then what you're going to do is you're going to cross. Yes, and this is kind of a little bit small, so you might want to go with like 12 to 13 inches whenever you make this, since this is more for a child's wrist. And so if you want a bigger one, you can make a bigger one, or if you want a smaller one, you can definitely make a smaller one, or you can make it into a keychain if you want. So I'm going to cut about 4 inches for the tie to tie it off. You can definitely make a bigger bracelet than what I made, but I might make it into, you can also make it into a keychain. Oh, I do. So this is what it looks like so far. So I'm just going to show you how to kind of end it. So what you're going to do is you're going to cross, and then you're going to, this would be good for, this is like a child size one. So you can make it for a kid. So you're going to cross, then cross. Then you make like a 4-inch square knot as best as you can. The first knot's usually the hardest for the end, tying it off at the end. And then you're going to kind of try to make them even. And now you're going to make a number 4, go over, and then go under and pull tight. Make sure you pull it tight and do this. Repeat that 1 to 2 more times. And pull tight. And do that one more time probably. So 4, go over, underneath, pull tight. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to trim these off somewhat, and then you're going to burn those, but I'm not going to show that. But anyways, then after that you want to make sure they're completely cooled off, and you can give it to whoever you're giving it to. Since this is not going to fit me, I might have to make it bigger and like redo this, or I might give it to like one of my cousins that's a little kid or something like that, or you can give this to like a little kid or your kid or whatever. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you out with the Valentine's Day gift idea. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit better so you can see what this looks like. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching. Have a great, beautiful, and wonderful day. See y'all